Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how is it going? I hope you are all in good condition because we're still in a pandemic era. Well, my name is Nadia Anggraini. I'm usually called Nadia and I am 6th semester student majoring in English Education Department. In this video, I will discuss about my experiment for my midterm test in qualitative research lesson. Then, my experiment is about utilization of durian skin as a medicine in ulcers. Actually, there are some parts of this research that I want to explain. And the first one is about research background or research study. Organic waste in Indonesia reaches 60 until 70% of the total volume of waste generated. So, that if it's ignored, it can cause a pollution environment. The emergence of disease and reduce the aesthetic value of the city as well other matters. Durian skin waste has not been utilized good because the character is difficult to decompose, so that has the potential to become one biological waste which can cause environmental pollution. The durian has a Latin name, Durian is one of those plants contain phytochemicals. Durian rind contains phenolic compounds, flavonoids, saponins, and tannins. Antifungal compounds derived from plants are mostly known to be plant secondary metabolites, especially cluster phenolics and terpenes in essential oils. Besides that, based on research conducted by Prativi, phytochemical compounds can be efficacious as of antifungal such as alkaloids, saponins, tannins, phenolics, flavonoids, and terpenoids. These show that durian rind extract can be used as antifungal and bacteria. Cream preparation are one of them pharmaceutical preparation used topically for the treatment of various skin diseases. Apart from being practical in use, too easy to clean from skin and not sticky, as well an ointment or pharmaceutical preparation others. The purpose of this research is create the sage form with natural ingredients, that is the skin of the durian fruit. In this case, the selected form of cream or mask and also a drink for manufacture boiled medicine from the extract of the durian rind. Well, next it's about research problem. How to use durian skin for effective medicine in ulcer. Then the method of this research is basically research like this must be clinically tested in a chemical or pharmaceutical technology. This type of research is experimental, which is carried out with durian fruit peels and other materials, where statistical data on the content of each material is obtained for variable journal source. So we can say the experiment that I made is herbal medicine. In the manufacture of this ulcer medicine used two different methods and result. The first way is to boil it as a drink, and the second is roasted as a mask on the face. The manufacture of durian fruit skin simplicity using the method of pulverizing durian fruit skins, wet sorting, and chopping. There is also sterilization of the tool used in the process of making ulcer with durian skin, of course, in order to be free from microbial compounds. Well, before I continue the discussion, I will show to you all about my my experiment in make medicine for ulcer. Let's check it out. The first way to make a drink is to prepare ingredient in the form of durian skin, honey, and enough water. Then, the first step, you must to do cut the inside of the durian skin. You can see at the video. You can use knife, but you must do it carefully. like this. Okay. Then you can cut the inside of the durian skin into small pieces so that it's easy to dissolve with hot water. Anyway, the durian skin has been sterilized by water. Okay, chop into small pieces. Then prepare a pot filled with boiling water and put the durian skin pieces. Yeah, like this. Put the water enough. Then until become hot water, then put the durian skin. Prepare a glass that has been given honey as an added ingredient. Then pour the durian skin boiled water. After that, stir evenly and the drink is ready to be consumed. Anyway, the smell of the drink is very hard. Smells durian, of course. Yeah, you can drink. It's ready to be consumed. The second way is use a topical medicine by roasting. Prepare a frying pan first and put the durian skin pieces as in making drink. Roast until it becomes textures like charcoal, like this. Then grind it until it becomes a powder. You can add aloe vera gel and rose water and apply it to the parts of the body affected by boils or use as a mask like this. Yaps, that's it about medicine in ulcers. Well, that's my video in my experiment in making medicine for ulcer or boils. Now we'll move to finding and discussion. In this section, the data obtained comes from trusted journal sources that have the same research area regarding the use of durian skin waste. In the experimental results, it was found that the result of phytochemical screening or compounds contained in durian pills included phenolic compounds, flavonoids, saponins, and tannins. All of these compounds are heated by boiling or roasting and producing a mechanism of inhibition of fungal and bacterial growth by the cream of the durian fruit peel extract comes from the content of phytochemical compounds. The flavonoids and tannins contained in the durian fruit peel extract are classified as phenolic compounds. Phenolic and saponin compounds are water-soluble and contain hydroxyl functional groups so that they are easier to enter into cell and form complexes with cell membrane proteins. Phenolic compounds interact with cell membrane proteins through an absorption process that involves hydrogen bonding by bonding to the hydrophilic part of the cell membrane. Protein phenolic compound complexes are formed with weak bond so that they will immediately undergo decomposition followed by the penetration of the phenolic compounds in cell membrane, which causes precipitation and denaturation of cell membrane proteins. Damage to the cell membrane causes changes in the permeability of the membrane, resulting in lysis of the bacterial cell membrane. In addition, in the manufacture of drink, additional ingredients are used such as honey, which contain antioxidant, antibacterial, and antiseptic properties that help open skin pores and clean them. Likewise, the making of mask uses additional ingredients in the form of aloe vera gel, and rose water, which function as antioxidants and hydrating so that it helps in the healing process of ulcers. Well, that's about the finding and discussion. This is the table about the screening phytokimia. In same research, there are sources too. There are flavonoid, phenolic, saponin, and tannin. Ini adalah sesuatu yang diuji di laboratorium. Then, we're moved in the final part. Yes, that's about the conclusion. There are so many ways to use waste into something functional by utilizing durian skill, which contain flavonoid, saponin, tannin compounds that help in healing skin diseases such as ulcers and can also reduce waste in the community, has been effectively tested in the laboratory with various processed forms. So my message in this research is that the younger generation like us, like me, must continue to innovate it to create something new that can be useful in society. Well, that's my video about my experiment. So thank you for your nice attention in this video. See you in next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.